Keeping your audience focused on your Facebook Live event. To get the very best results from your Facebook Live events, you need to be sure that your audience are paying attention. If you are not careful, your audience can easily become distracted and even bored with your Facebook Live event, which may even result in them leaving. Fortunately, there are a number of things that you can do to ensure that your audience remain focused on your Facebook Live event. We will cover some of the most effective tactics that you can use in this video. There is nothing difficult about any of these, so make sure that you use them for all of your live events. Get your environment ready. A lot of people believe that a Facebook Live event is more easygoing than other live events that occur on platforms such as YouTube. You do not want to use this as an excuse not to create the most professional event that you can. You are putting the reputation of your business at stake with each of your Facebook Live events. So you want to ensure that all of your events are the highest quality that they can be. Remember that you are promoting your brand with Facebook Live events, so you do not want this to be shambolic. One of the easiest things that you can do is to check your environment before you record your live event. A cluttered environment is not a good backdrop for a successful event. Not only does this give the wrong impression about you and your business, it can also be very distracting for your audience. We recommend that you use a plain background for your Facebook Live events. Get rid of clocks or anything else that could be a distraction. Test the video and sound quality by recording a practice event first. Keep your audience updated. During your event, you can keep your audience updated by reminding them of what you have covered and what is to follow. Not everyone is going to join your Facebook Live event from the start. So updates are a good way of bringing them up to speed with everything. You should always have an agenda for your events and share these with your audience. This shows that the event has structure and has not been thrown together. Remind your audience where you are with your agenda from time to time. People like to know where they stand and what they can expect. Think interaction. With Facebook Live events, interaction is king. If your event does not have much interaction, then your audience are not going to be happy and may leave it early. There are a number of interactive features that you can use for Facebook Live events, and we recommend that you take full advantage of these. The best Facebook Live events have the audience feeling that they are in a one-on-one conversation with you. They can ask you a question in the comments and they know that they will receive an answer. A good interaction tactic is to display the comments window to all viewers during your event. As viewers see more and more comments appearing, it will inspire them to leave comments as well. Decide whether you will answer questions straight away or have a Q&A session at the end of your event. Be sure to communicate this with your audience.